Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable biometric verification on the 1inch Wallet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the 1inch Wallet app on your device and then log into your account using your PIN code or your seed phrase. After logging in, you will be taken into your wallet homepage, from which if you wish to enable biometrics to log in, just tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Then from here tap on security and then enable the biometric unlock toggle at the top. You will be asked to enter your passcode for verification, so go ahead and type it in. After you enter your passcode, you will then be asked to provide your biometric. You can provide your fingerprint or your facial scan, and once it is provided, the biometric unlock toggle will be enabled, which means that after this point on, you can use your fingerprint to log into your account within this application. You can turn it off at any point of time if you wish in the future by going back into the security settings. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable biometric verification on the 1inch Wallet app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.